Looking to upgrade your toolkit with the best cordless drills that deliver power without breaking the bank? You're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 cordless drill sets that combine exceptional performance, versatility, and outstanding value for money.
Number 5.
Starting at number 5, this impressive 20V cordless drill set delivers exceptional power and convenience for all your projects. The kit features a 3 8-inch keyless chuck for quick bit changes and an 18+3 clutch system, providing precise torque control up to 45 Nm. What sets this apart is the dual 2.0 AA batteries, ensuring continuous work without interruptions. The fast charger minimizes downtime, getting you back to work quickly. Perfect for drilling through wood, metal, and plastic. Variable speed trigger gives complete control for drilling and driving. The ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue during extended use, while the LED work light illuminates dark workspaces. This complete set includes essential drill bits and comes in a sturdy carrying case for organized storage. Whether assembling furniture, hanging shelves, or tackling demanding projects, this drill offers professional performance at an incredible price. Check the description and comments for the purchase link.
Number 4.
At number 4, this powerful 21V cordless impact drill takes drilling to the next level with impressive torque. The impact function provides extra power for driving long screws or drilling tougher materials. This versatile tool seamlessly switches between drill mode and electric screwdriver function. The quick charger ensures minimal wait time, keeping productivity high. Advanced torque adjustment controls let you fine-tune power output for any application. The pistol grip design provides excellent balance and control, reducing fatigue during extended sessions. The comprehensive drill bit set covers all basic needs. The durable carrying case protects your investment and keeps everything organized. Ideal for automotive work, home improvement, and professional construction. The combination of power, precision, and portability makes this excellent for DIY enthusiasts. Check the description and comments for the purchase link.
Number 3.
Coming in at number 3, this 21V cordless impact drill set represents perfect power and practicality. This wireless drill set includes everything needed to tackle projects confidently. The battery-powered design eliminates cord hassles while delivering consistent performance. Quick charger technology means less waiting and more working. The comprehensive accessory selection transforms this into a complete power tool solution. The impact mechanism provides extra driving force for stubborn fasteners, while drill mode handles precision work perfectly. Ideal for serious DIY enthusiasts, this set includes professional-grade bits. Ergonomic construction ensures comfortable handling during extended use, and the LED light illuminates your workspace. This makes an excellent gift for those who appreciate quality tools. Robust construction ensures years of reliable service. Check the description and comments for the purchase link.
Number 2.
At number 2, this versatile, rechargeable, multifunctional electric hand drill punches above its weight class. Powered by high-capacity lithium battery, this compact powerhouse excels at detailed work. The impact pistol drill bit and electric screwdriver function make it exceptionally adaptable. What makes this special is precision control, ideal for bead chain creation, jewelry making, and intricate tasks. The compact size delivers impressive power when needed. Rechargeable design means never hunting for batteries, and lithium technology ensures consistent performance. Perfect for household maintenance, craft projects, and light construction. The ergonomic grip fits comfortably for extended use. Variable speed control matches applications perfectly. Makes a thoughtful Valentine's Day gift for creative DIY enthusiasts. The multifunctional nature provides multiple tools in one package. Check the description and comments for the purchase link.
Number 1.
Taking the number 1 spot, this efficient 3.6V power tool set is the perfect household companion. This comprehensive set includes a robust 1300 mAh lithium battery, providing extended runtime. Our top pick offers perfect balance of power, portability, and user-friendliness. The 3.6V motor delivers ideal power for everyday tasks. Perfect for assembling furniture, hanging pictures, tightening hardware, and countless routine tasks. The electric drill and screwdriver combination handles drilling and driving proficiently. Compact, lightweight design means anyone can use it comfortably. Lithium battery technology ensures quick charging and long-lasting performance. Ideal for apartment dwellers, first-time homeowners, or anyone wanting reliable tools without professional bulk. Intuitive operation means beginners achieve professional results. Incredible value serving you reliably for years. Check the description and comments for the purchase link.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.